Hi guys, today's video I will teach you how to use our Rodot copy or clone remote control. Our remote control working frequency is 433 MHz and they all have passed the QC test. Please pay attention to our Rodot logo to prevent counterfeiting. So guys, if you buy our product, you can see they have a logo. Right, Rodot. Now I use a original running code remote control. You can see the decoder. The running code value always changed at any time. Yeah. Now I will use this original remote control, prepare this product so that it can control the light. Now I will use our clone remote control to copy the new remote control so that our clone remote control can also achieve the same function. Before copying, we should clear the exiting code of the copied remote control first. If I pair without waiting for a light to flash, this will cause the copy to fail. The correct method is press and hold the two buttons A, B until the indicator light flashes. At this time, keep press the A button and press the B button 3 times. The code cleaning is successful. Now you can see the copy process. Program the B button is the same way. Now the AB button of the Rodot remote can control the light on the controller, just like the original remote control. And the CD button has no code yet, so it can't control the light. We can also program the CD button of the copy remote control to achieve the control effect. We use the clone remote control to transmit the signal. We can check that the code value of the remote control changed on the decoder, indicating that our clone remote control has successfully learned the running code. And we'll continue to show you the remaining remote control. They use the same clean and reprogram methods. Clean code. We need to press the AB buttons all together, waiting for the indicator light to flash. Press the A or B button 3 times. Copy process. Now press the button of the copy remote control and the original remote control. They should be as close to each other as possible. When the indicator light of the Rodot remote control is always on, the copy is successful. Now you can see the other copy videos. If you have any question, you can email me or send me a message. Thank you guys.